I thought dating would be easy. Then she fell asleep. The first night was peaceful. Too peaceful. Then suddenly, I sat up in bed. Was that a motorcycle? A chainsaw? An angry dinosaur? No, it was her. She was sleeping like an innocent angel while sounding like a bear fighting a lawnmower. I tried everything. Earplugs, pillows over my head, even sleeping in another room. But somehow, the snoring followed me. One night, the windows started shaking. The dog moved out. The neighbors filed a noise complaint. Even my phone asked, "Are you near heavy machinery?" The next morning, I asked, "Did you hear that noise last night?" She smiled and said, "Nope, I slept like a baby." Of course you did. You were the beast. And that, my friends, is how I discovered that monsters are real. And sometimes, they sleep right next to you.